Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Enjoying your time and doing studies too, right? Okay, here I am back with my session of English poem, The Swing. It is The Swing. Okay, it is a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This is the name of the poet who wrote the short poem, The Swing. So before I start the poem, I want to know that how many of you have went to the park with your families, with your parents, your cousins, your brother and sisters and everyone? I thought most of you, right? You might have visited to the park with your family and you must have saw that there are many rides, that is seesaw, slides, swings and many park games which you enjoy to play. Okay, so just think of the time which you have enjoyed yourself on a swing. How do you feel as you go up higher and higher? Okay, yes, you can see here on the picture here the swing with this boy is riding on. It's going up and down. Okay, in this way the swings moves and you sit on it and you enjoy the ride. So what are the things you see as you go higher and higher? Sometimes it is like that you enjoy this ride and you tell your friends or your cousins or your parents to push you hard from the back so that you can go higher up above. Okay, so while riding on this swing, what you see when you go higher? You see many things. Okay, and enjoy this swing. So here is the detail of the poem given here, which I will explain you now. Okay, so let's start our new poem, The Swing, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, how do you like to go up in the swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. What the poet is saying, that asking you, he's talking to his children, right? He's asking that how do you like when you go up and you sit on the same swing and you go up and down. Okay, so in the air, when blue means when you go up. Okay, what the poet is saying, when you go up high, so how do you feel? So, oh, I do think it is a pleasantest. Meaning of pleasantest is, what do you mean by this new word pleasantest? It means most enjoyable. Very much enjoyable thing when you sit on the swing and you go up in the air. Okay, so this is the very most enjoyable thing that child can ever do while playing. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Okay, now what next the poem is saying? Up in the air and over the wall. Okay, over the wall means what it is saying, the wall which is there in the park, when you swing from here to there, high in the up. Okay, so what you see that it is very much big. You can see the world from, means you can see everything which is around that park. Okay, river and trees and cattle and all. Cattle means cows and bulls. This is the assumption of a poem, what the poet is giving to us, what the child can feel. Okay, so cattle means the cows and bulls, that is known as cattle. Okay, over the countryside means land far from the cities, towns usually used for farming. Okay, the countryside means the land, the area, the land which is very far from the country or town. Okay, which is used for farming, and there we use the cattle to farm the land. Okay, so when we go up from with the swing, we can see the river and trees and all the cattle there. Okay, and the countryside with the land which are far from our cities. We can even see that also while riding on a swing. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. You know now how the swings do. Okay, it goes down and up and it goes like that. So till I look down on the garden green, when the swing from high, when your swing is on the high in the air, when it comes back down in the, till what the poet is saying, till I come, when I look down I will see the green garden and the brown roof. Okay, top of the house. Up in the air I go flying again. Then again when it comes down, it again goes up. Up in the air and down. That means up and down the swings goes. See this, you can see here in the picture how the boy is enjoying its swing, right? Okay, and you can see the picture how is smiling his face is. So you enjoy, really you enjoy while riding on a swing. Do you understood, student? So it is very enjoyable. Nowadays we have many technical rides. When you goes in the you can go in the park like theme park, like you can go in the SL World or Fantasyland. You can see there are many things, but this is the most enjoyable whenever you go. Not even a small children, I think so, bigger young ones also like to sit on the swing, right? So do you understood this poem, students? It is very nice and it is very short poem which is very good. Okay, so let me tell you it in Hindi once again if you don't understand it complete English. So this poem is about a swing. इसे झूला कहते हैं, राइट? ये सबको पता है कि झूले में बैठना कितना सबको पसंद आता है और हर कोई इसे बैठकर एंजॉय करना चाहता है। और हर सब जानते हैं कि जो झूले पे बैठते हैं तो झूला कैसे जाता है, ऊपर नीचे। और जब हम किसी अपने फ्रेंड को कहते हैं कि मुझे और ज़ोर से पुश को ताकि मैं और आसमान तक ऊपर तक जा सकूँ, तो जो ये पोएट है इस झूले के बैठकर एंजॉय करने का एक्सपीरियंस को हमें बताता है। ठीक है, समझ में आया बच्चों ये पोएम, राइट?